Welcome back. This will be the first lesson of Unit 1. Unit 1 is all about transformations. Transformation means to change an object by sliding, flipping, turning, or resizing it. Today we will discuss the types of transformations: translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation. The focus for this lesson will be on learning to identify which transformation has taken place. We will discuss the definition of each transformation and look at an example of each type. Translation is moving an object without reflecting, rotating, or dilating. Every point moves the same distance and direction. You can combine a translation with the other types of transformations, but if we are talking only about a translation, it is simply just a movement left or right and or up or down. Let's look at an example of a translation. We are provided triangle ABC on the graph. Notice how this triangle is slid to the right and then down. Since this shape is simply sliding or gliding across the graph, it is a translation. The triangle keeps the same orientation, it has just been relocated. Next, reflection. Flipping an object over a line. A reflection creates a mirror image of the original object. Let's look at an example of a reflection. We are provided quadrilateral ABCD on the graph. Notice how this quadrilateral is flipped over the x-axis. Since this shape is a mirror image of the original, it is a reflection. On to rotation, which is turning an object around a center point. Think about a rotation like you think about the blades on a fan. For the rotation example, we have triangle RST on the graph. The entire triangle will rotate. We will get more into the details of this rotation in a future lesson. Our final transformation, dilation, which is resizing an object by making it bigger or smaller. The dilation example. We have square ABCD on the graph. The entire square is changing size by getting bigger. Anytime a figure changes size, whether it gets bigger or smaller, a dilation is occurring. Remember, there are 4 types of transformations: translation, reflection, rotation, or dilation. A translation is when a figure slides, reflection is when a figure flips, rotation is when a figure turns, and dilation is when a figure gets bigger or smaller. Now let's look at some examples of identifying transformations. Thank you for watching this lesson on identifying transformations. Next, you will complete the homework assignment, Identifying Transformations. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. After you finish the homework assignment and feel comfortable with identifying transformations, you will take the quiz.